In this video you will learn how to cancel the O2 contract via calling, review your contract, check your O2 contract terms for the minimum periods and the earliest possible termination and extra fees, gather your account information, have your O2 account number, phone number and personal details all ready for verification, cancel by calling O2, dial O2 customer service and request to cancel your contract. Clearly state your intention. They may offer you a better deal, but you can accept or decline it. Confirm your cancellation on the call, follow the representative instructions, and ask for a confirmation of your cancellation date and any final payment you may have. Cancel online. Log into my O2 account, then navigate to account settings or billing and option payment. Look for the option to manage or cancel your contract. Save your confirmation. Whether you're cancelling your phone or online, make sure you receive a written email confirming that you have cancelled it. Now you know how to cancel your O2 contract online or via calling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.